Hello everyone and welcome again. In this video for today we're going to be looking at Scrl. The Scrl app, which is a collage for Instagram. We're going to be examining it and how to use it. First, you need to download the app. To find the app, Scrl Photo Collage Maker in your device app store. iOS users, you have to use the App Store. Android users, you have to use Google Play Store. Once you download and installed it, the next thing you're going to do is launch the app on your device. Next, select the photo you want to include in your collage. Select all the photos you want to use. You can get multiple photos at once. Next, choose a template. Explore all the templates Scrl has to offer. Browse to them, select the one that best suits your style and number of photos you've chosen. Next, choose photo templates that are well suited for Instagram Scrl, portrait or landscape format to avoid cropping. Drag and drop your chosen photos into designated areas within the template. Resize, reposition photos within each frame to achieve the desired look. After arranging the photos like this, next you can customize. It's optional. You can customize by adding background, adding filters, adding text, using stickers and overlays. Once you're through with that, you have to save your collage to your device photo library and then you share it to Instagram through direct upload. Some apps may allow you to directly share your collage to Instagram from within the app, or you can just simply save and upload it. Save the collage to your device and then upload it from your device to Instagram manually. Now here are some tips for Instagram worthy collages. 1. Keep it simple. 2. Use high quality photos for the best results. 3. Use relevant hashtags and engage with other users to increase your visibility. That means you are considering Instagram's algorithm. And then the last tip is to try different layout, filters and editing tools to find a style that best suits you. In other words, experiment. By following these steps and experimenting with the app features, you can create eye-catching collages for your Instagram feed using the Scrl app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.